Hello, Sanbonani. Today we will be doing a Porterhouse steak. We're preparing a very delicious steak and we're making it with gravy. I will leave in the description box a list of ingredients and measurements. You don't have to worry how much we are adding. Let's begin. We sprinkle the oil on the steak. We add salt and pepper on both sides. We rub in the flavoring and on both sides we repeat the same thing. Salt, pepper, or start with oil, salt and pepper. I would like to thank you for taking time to come and watch my video. I appreciate you. Let's cook. Heat up the pan until it's smoking hot. Add the oil and then start frying the steak. We are browning the steak on each side, then turning it over. We add the herbs, rosemary, thyme. We add butter, add garlic cloves. In between, you baste your steak. I will leave time recommendations as to how long you fry each side in the description box below. This one was fried for 5 to 7 minutes. If you like my content, please subscribe and press the notification bell to be part of the family. How juicy is that steak? It's so tender. I'm even salivating. Now let's make gravy. On the same pot, just sprinkle a few tablespoons of flour and stir on low heat. Using low heat, you're cooking on low heat. Add your beef stock, or if you do not have it, you can make your own using hot water and stock cube. Then you can add Worcestershire sauce and stir. Taste your gravy and make seasoning adjustments if necessary. Add butter, that's optional. It adds flavor to the gravy. Strain the gravy using a sieve. You can use a spoon to push down the liquid, the gravy. Remove the excess oil if there is any. Stir and then serve. I have served mine with buttery vegetables and mashed potatoes. Please press the like button and leave a comment below to add value to this video. That really helps. Mamma mia! This steak is tender, juicy, and it's rich in flavor. Hope you try it. See you soon. Enjoy.